हाँ भाई साहब, कहाँ से आ रहे हो?
मेरे दोस्त के साथ बाहर गया था।
यारी दोस्ती होनी चाहिए, लेकिन इतने भी नहीं कि कुछ और चीज इंपॉर्टेंट ही ना लगे।
हाँ,
क्या सोचा लाइफ में, क्या करना है आगे?
पापा मैं सोच रहा था एक डीजे कंट्रोलर लेना है मुझे, वो थोड़ा म्यूजिक भी सीख रहा हूँ ना मैं।
एक गाने बजाने से आगे कुछ नहीं होगा।
पापा लेकिन
हमारी हमारी फैमिली में सब डॉक्टर इंजीनियर है। डॉक्टर इंजीनियर को चुन ले और कर अपनी लाइफ में।
लेकिन वो मेरे को वो करना है ना, मतलब मुझे वो
पैसे कैसे कमाएगा?
मैं उसी के लिए बना हूँ।
ये शौक के लिए ठीक है, पैसे कैसे कमाएगा?
उसमें पैसा होगा?
नहीं कमाएगा, सिर्फ डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर
क्या
बनेगा।
पापा हमेशा आप पढ़ाई पढ़ाई करते रहते हो, वो मुझे वो लेके दो।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Please have a seat. Thank you, ma'am. Depanita. Depanita, honestly, I'm really disappointed with you this time. Just look at your grades. F in maths, science, SST, look at these. We have not even got a single A plus in the whole report card.
Mama, I have A plus in arts.
Arts? What is this subject? Such a useless subject. कोई काम है आर्ट्स का? बाकी grades देख.
Mama, it's my dream.
Depanita, you will not go far with this stream. You have to focus on your maths and science.
मैम मैं समझा के थक गई हूँ. घर में पूरा टाइम बस आर्ट. घर को म्यूजियम बना रखा है.
Mama, it's a passion.
What passion? थक गई हूँ. बस कर अब. मम्मी पापा देखो मुझे इकोनॉमिक्स के मार्क्स मिले. मुझे 91 मिले और ये हाईएस्ट मार्क्स गए हैं.
बेटा 91 9 पॉइंट्स कहाँ गए?
मम्मी पेपर बहुत टफ था. ये हाईएस्ट मार्क्स गए हैं पूरे बैच में.
तू 91 लाके टॉप किया है तूने, 96 लाके तो टॉप कर सकती थी तू।
मुझे लगा आप लोग मुझे शाबाशी दोगे. आपको 99 ला दो तो भी आप कभी खुश नहीं होगे.
तो बेटा लाके तो दिखा.
गाइस पेपर में कहीं घूमने चले, मेरा बहुत मन है.
हाँ यार चलते हैं।
यार आई बीन टू गोवा, बहुत अमेजिंग प्लेस है, मजा आ गया, बहुत पार्टी करी हमने, उससे बेटर प्लेस मेरे को अभी तक नहीं लगा।
यार,
वहीं
चलते
चलते
हैं.
हैं।
चलो देखा भी नहीं मैंने कभी गोवा.
हाँ यार, मजा आएगा।
But what about Anita?
यार
मजा नहीं आएगा उसके
यार
बाद।
बहुत
यार
बोरिंग है
बहुत बोर हो
यार.
Boring
जाएंगे,
है.
पूरी ट्रिप बोर हो जाएगी हमारी, बेकार रहेगा, मजा भी नहीं आएगा।
लास्ट टाइम भी वो हमारे साथ गया था तो
उसे फिर से
ऐसे ही-
लास्ट टाइम जब गई थी उसे इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा।
और वो पूरे टाइम पढ़ाई की बात कर रही थी भाभी यार. बस सही. तुम बताओ. बढ़िया. तूने पढ़ाई कर ली क्विज के लिए?
हाँ करिए.
पढ़ा दे.
या चैप्टर 3 बहुत टफ है.
अच्छा कल क्विज भी है, पढ़ा दे.
ठीक है करवा दूंगी. ओके
चलो बाय बाय.
रूम पे.
थैंक यू.
Okay, thank you.
आ जाएंगे मेरे रूम पे. ठीक है.
तुझे शर्म नहीं आती? कोचिंग में तेरे पैसे डलवाए हुए हैं, तू यहाँ पे ये कर रहे दोस्त में।
अरे पापा कोचिंग का
तेरी कोचिंग से मना, तू कोचिंग बंद करके यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है।
पापा स्कूल रहता है फिर कोचिंग रहता है। पापा नहीं हो रहा है यार मुझसे ये सब।
ये सब करेगा तो कैसे होगा?
और तो कोचिंग पढ़ाई में उतना मन नहीं लगता पापा। मैं ट्राई करता हूँ लेकिन नहीं हो रहा है।
ऐसे होगा?
पापा आपने पहले इंजीनियरिंग का मुझे फोर्स किया, मैं वो भी मान लिया, ठीक है। अभी इंजीनियरिंग के लिए आप कोचिंग में भेज रहे हो, वो भी मैं जा रहा हूँ, लेकिन मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है। मैं कॉलेज ये स्कूल ये सब में मैं उलझ गया हूँ। ये सब नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे। मैं डिप्रेशन में चला जाऊंगा पापा ऐसे तो।
ये डिप्रेशन कुछ नहीं होता है। ये पढ़ाई लिखाई कर जो काम आएगी आगे। ये डिप्रेशन में क्या होता है? डिप्रेशन क्या होता है वर्ड?
क्या कर रहे हो?
ड्राइंग बना रही हूँ. देखो.
वाओ बहुत सुंदर है. वेरी गुड.
Thank you, Mama.
कुछ चाहिए?
हाँ, chocolate.
लाती हूँ.
Thank you.
ओके.
मम्मी पापा टीचर ने मुझे 3 स्टार दिए।
Oh wow!
अरे वेरी गुड बेटा,
Thank
वेरी
you.
गुड, वेरी गुड.
हो गया.
When I was in my school days, my parents had this notion that if you be the top 5% of the batch, then you will be good in your future.
Right.
So that is how I had this thing of doing good in academics. And also, it was my personal choice of 2 to 3 instances where I have felt that, but most of the times it is not. I never got less marks, but yeah, they were sometimes upset because I was better not in academics at sometimes. I was a good artist. There happened this scene. There was a teacher who gave as a competition in quiz and also in painting. I got first in painting. A guy from my class got first in the quiz. I took the prize. I went to home. I said that I have got the first prize in painting. And I also said there was a quiz also, and I didn't get the first. Some other guy got it. So they asked, why didn't you get first in the quiz also?
Okay,
We
yeah.
know you are good at painting and drawing, but why not the quiz? I have sacrificed my games and all. When I was in my ninth studies, ninth standard, I got this opportunity to play at a different state, a different competition. But
Okay.
just because of the academics, I was drawn back by my parents. That is how I missed that opportunity. Or else I would have been a better player and have represented the state.
So there was an incident when I was in my grade 9. So at that time, I was in part of the election of school people leader. So I was supposed to talk in front of 100 people for campaigning. At that time, I couldn't able to talk in English that well. I just blabbered something, and everybody laughed at me. At that time, my friends stood by my side, and even my parents made me feel better at that time because I cried to my parents and as well as my friends, and they helped me a lot. I even started speaking in English to my parents also, even though they couldn't able to understand at that time. So they supported me, and now I think they supported in all of the angles. They have made me get out of all of these anxiousness, pressurized situations, and now I think my English is much better.
In that age, in that years, it is normal for people to be like that. But nowadays, the recent generations, it is more of a problem because
Right.
of the screen time they spend on the phones and the attention span they have and the emotional instability they have.
Right.
This has to be a subject or maybe something which has to be taught in the from the school itself so that they can be a better person in their whole life. And I also support they have to get some emotional support from the parents and the teachers.
Right.
And such policies have to be framed.
There was no pressure from my family, but yeah, I had a pressure from my coaching institute because they were expecting a rank from me. So yeah, the only pressure that I had was from the coaching.
It was frustrating. Like my parents, friends, and my peers were expecting me to get into a good college like I am. So I had a lot of pressure during that time. So there is a sense of responsibility over me.
They were expecting a rank from me because I was getting high scores in tests. So before, like one day prior to exam, they were continuously calling me. Like they started calling me from 10 in the morning, and they called till 10 in the night, and they were asking my whole schedule, like whether have you had your dinner, have you had your lunch, have you studied this, have you studied this formulas, and this created a lot of pressure in my mind. Like the next day when I went for exam, there also the people of coaching were present. They were continuously telling me that we have done a lot of preparations, you will do good, you have to get a rank, and everything compiled up in my head. And when I went for the exam in the room, I got a panic attack. Like everything. I blacked out in the exam. I couldn't even remember a single formula. I couldn't even do the simplest of the simplest question. Like I was not able to calculate the carbon content of the compound. So I was sitting like with my heads down for around 1.5 hours, and then I tried doing the paper, but I wasn't able to do it. I wasn't able to clear my IIT due to that.
Actually, what happened, I was not sure what I want to do, so there was something like cloud going on. Okay, you have to clear JEE mains and advanced, so
Yeah.
everybody was
Yeah,
doing
it was
that.
mostly like JEE mains or NEET.
Yeah,
That was
at
like
that
that
time.
was trending like.
Yeah. So I got in Kota. At that time, I was not sure even I want to pursue engineering or not. So I prepared a little. Then I shifted to BSc Math honors.
Basically, in my family, there are all my siblings are engineers and doctors. But seeing them, I also thought that so I should also try for engineer. So